Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of News Bulletin. In the headlines today, innovative project of Samadhan Quality Circle team of Steel Melting Shop 1 helps improve the productivity of the department. Senior officers cricket match played amidst fun and camaraderie. And Kalinga Herbal Fair 2019 concludes. Now the news in detail. The enterprising endeavours of Samadhan Quality Circle of Steel Melting Shop 1 of Rourkela Steel Plant RSP has helped in successfully eliminating premature failure of caster equipments, thus improving the productivity of the department. The team comprising Mr. T.P. Garewal, Manager, Mr. S.K. Das, Mr. T.S. Swine, Mr. A.K. Samantara, Mr. J.D. Mohapatra, Mr. G.C. Sahu and Mr. A.K. Das, belonging to slab caster area of SMS1, took up the challenge of reducing production delay time of the caster. Caster equipment consists of several equipments. Failure of any equipment and supporting system during casting leads to production delay, equipment damage, defect slab generation, extensive manual labor, more spare consumption. It was analyzed that the production delay time of the caster was due to lubrication system failure, which had two parts. One is electrical control system and the other was grease line network. Most of these spare parts used in control panel were imported from Japan and were costly. Hence, panel maintenance had become a costly affair. Some of the grease line network laid at ground level got damaged due to water and mud accumulation. The team developed an alternate solution, that is, an auto-controlled circuit diagram for control circuit with PLC interface, keeping the lubrication philosophy constant. The developed modified system was implemented successfully without affecting production. Suggestions regarding remote monitoring of the system were given during implementation, which were also incorporated. The modified system was observed closely and different data collected at regular intervals. This alternate system not only helped in saving about 3,285 man-hour per annum, but also a sum of rupees 2,52,000 per year. In addition to this, there has been energy saving of about 2,190 kilowatt-hour. Energy per annum and the downtime of caster was also reduced considerably to 41 hours per annum. Notably, Samadhan QC team presented the above project in the National Quality Circle Convention NCQC held recently at Gwalior and won the Par Excellence Award. It is noteworthy that the team was among the 15 QC teams of RSP which won Par Excellence Award in the NCQC. The Senior Officers Cricket Match, an annual fixture, was held amidst fun and camaraderie under the bright blue sky and sunshine at the Ispat Stadium on 13th January. Mr. Ashwini Kumar, Chief Executive Officer, Rourkela Steel Plant, Mr. Rajiv Agarwal, ED Projects, Mr. Rajveer Singh, ED P&A, Mr. Gautam Banerjee, ED Works, Mr. Dilip Kumar Mohapatra, ED MM and several other general managers and senior officers participated in the 15 overs to a side cricket match. The match was played between Team Royal Blue led by Mr. Ashwini Kumar and Team Navy Blue led by Mr. Rajiv Agarwal. Team Royal Blue won the toss and elected to bat. The players of both the sides gave their best. Some outstanding instances of batting, bowling, fielding and catches were witnessed in the match. Mr. Faraz Abbasi, Manager C&IT and Mr. Chayakant Tripathi, SOST SMS2 were the umpires, while Mr. D.R. Pradhan of Mechanical Shop was the scorer. A slice of irreverence and humour was added to the proceedings by the tongue-in-cheek commentary by Mr. Ramendra Kumar, DGM PR and COC, and Mr. Anup Datta, DGM Blast Furnaces. Mrs. Savita Kumari, President, Deepika Mahila Sangati, Mr. Rekha Agarwal, Mrs. Anuradha Banerjee, Mrs. Minakhi Mohapatra, all Vice Presidents of Deepika Mahila Sangati were present on the occasion. The friendly match ended in a draw with Team RSP emerging a clear winner. The match was coordinated by Mr. Hiralal Mohapatra, DGM, PHSNL, and organized by the sports unit of RSP. The 5-day-long Herbal Fair held at Bhanja Bhavan, Rourkela, concluded on 13th January. Ms. Padmini Sahu, IPS SDPO, Panposh, was the chief guest at the closing ceremony, while Mr. Dasharathi Nag, Assistant Commissioner, Provident Fund, Mr. Ajay Kumar Nayak, GM, T and CSR, RSP, Dr. R.C. Pradhan, HOD, Food Process Engineering, NIT, Rourkela were the guests of honor. The dignitaries spoke on the importance of herbal medicine and the need for conducting such melas. Prizes were also given for the best exhibits and sale. At the outset, Mr. Sanjay Swain, DFO, Rourkela, delivered the welcome address, and Mr. Ajay Kumar Sahu, OFS, ACP, proposed a vote of thanks. The Mela was organized by District Forest Office and State Medicinal Plant Board, Odisha. Thus, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Namaskar.